We live in a world where information is at our fingertips. We can connect anyone, anywhere instantly. But with this incredible power comes responsibility. Are you a responsible new media user? Do you think critically about what you see online? Do you share information with care?
The power of your click. Be a responsible new media user.
The internet can be a powerful tool for good, but it can also be breeding negativity, misinformation, and harm. It's up to us, the next generation, to use it wisely. Here are some tips to become a new responsible new media user.
The future of the internet is in our hands. Let's use our power responsibly and create a more positive, informed, and connected world. Be a responsible new media user.